In this video, I'll be going over how to find the surface area of a cylinder. As you can see on the right hand portion is the unfolded version of the cylinder. So you can see that there are the top and the bottom. After finding that out, this complete the surface area of 2 pi r squared. We're taking the pi r squared and multiply them by 2, as there are 2 of them. Then the next part would be to add the rectangle portion, which is this part here. And to find that out, since we know the length is 2 pi r, and the reason why is 2 pi r because that's the circumference of the circle. So the circumference of the circle is equivalent to the length here. And so that's why it's 2 pi r. And then we have the height, which matches the height of the cylinder. So that's why we are adding 2 pi r times height, as that would be the area of the rectangle. So our first step is to find the 2 pi r squared. So it would be 2 times pi times r squared. R in this case is 5 feet, so we would take 5 and then square. And 5 squared is 25. So we take 2 pi times 25, and we would get 50 pi. So 50 pi here are the area for the 2 circles. Now let's find the rectangle. So the rectangle is 2 pi r times height. So we can write it out like this. 2 pi and r is 5. And then we also have to multiply it by the height. In this case it's 9. So 5 times 9 is 45. Okay, and so if we times 2 by 45, it would give us 90 pi. So now we completed this portion and this portion. All we gotta do is add them together. So 50 plus 90 is 140 pi. And if you're using a calculator and using pi as 3.14, we can multiply that by 140. So it will be 140 times 3.14, which give us 439.6 feet square. So this is an example of how you would find the surface area of a cylinder. We also have other surface area tutorials, which you can find in the comment section of this video. Hopefully this is helpful to you. Thank you for watching.